Now we're going to get Onlywire and learn how to use it. So we're going to go to onlywire.com and then we're going to click on Sign Up. Okay, and what you're going to have here is a page that shows you three different plans: Onlywire Pro, Onlywire Enterprise, and get a free account. And this is what we're going to do. You can switch to the Pro or Enterprise plans later if you think you need them, but most of you are going to need just a free account. So we're going to start here first. I click on that, and you're just going to fill in these different boxes, put the information in, and then you're going to click on Start Onlywire. Okay. Now, after you do this, you're going to log in. You're going to be able to log in with your new username and password. And what's going to happen is you're going to come to a page after you log in and click on Tools. You will come to this page. The page I was just on, where you download the submitter, you will get to by clicking here. Okay, so to download the submitter, I'm just going to click here on Download Now. And you can also click here that says for installation instructions and FAQs if you want more information. What's going to happen after you download it is you're going to get this little icon down here in the corner, somewhere in your taskbar. I'm using Windows, of course, Windows 7, and then services, history, posts, or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to look at, you just click on this. Okay. Normally you click on Post to do new posts. Alright, so then what we're going to do is look at the tools that you can use. Alright, here's all the tools. Alright, now what we need to do next is to get a bookmark button, because if you have a free account, you've got to put the Onlywire link onto your website or your blog. If you don't want to have anything to do with this, then turn this over to your webmaster. You can do it yourself. You start here, you choose the type of website you have, okay, website or blog with scripting support, WordPress, website or blog without scripting, okay. If you're not sure, get your tech guy to help you. I had, when I originally got the free version, I did a WordPress.com site for my blog, and I put it on here. Okay, these are all the services that you can choose. Just click all the ones you want to go to. Okay, I clicked all of them. And then to get your button, you pick the size and style of your button. Let's say you want this one right here. You can pick the colors you want. Okay, you can get an expanded button that'll get larger when you click on it. I just got the standard button. Okay, and then you click Get Your Button, and you get this code here. Now, if this is getting too technical for you, as I said, get your tech guy to do this for you, your webmaster, whatever. You can do it yourself. It's quite simple. So you just copy this code here for a simple integration. All right. And for step-by-step instructions, you click here. Takes you to another page, and then it shows you what to do. Okay, shows you step by step. It's very simple. I did it before, but again, if you don't want to do it, get your web guy to do it. It only takes a few minutes and won't cost you much to have them do it. Okay, so let's go back here and let's post a page to Onlywire. Okay, although with this login I can't do it. That's my new login I was using to show you. Let's use my regular account, and this is a pro account, but it looks the same as the free account when you're using it. Okay, I log in. Alright, now let's do a post here. First of all, you'll go to this page. You can go here to services. You can check all the services you have, and you can see that what happens is after you sign up with all these services, and you've got to go set up an account on all these services first, and then you put in your username and password so that Onlywire can log into all your accounts on these different services. Okay? You put in all this information and click Save My Logins, and anytime you do a change of any of this information, click Save My Logins, and it'll make the changes for you. Okay? So then let's go to Post. And it's very simple. All you do is put in the title of your page, put in the URL. In the notes or status box, you've got to put something in there if you want to use Facebook. They need to have some information in there. And then you put in your tags, keywords, what have you. And they have to be space separated. As you can see, some of these keywords here, some of these tags, they're all just separated by spaces, no commas. And the words within the tag, there's no spaces between them. And then these are the services you're going to. You can unclick some of these if for some reason you don't want to go to them. Okay. Pick a category for the page that you're going to bookmark. Post now, and then you just click Post, and you're done. Okay, that's all you have to do. And what you would do is say, go to any page. Here's my Facebook page, for example. So I would copy this URL right here, and this is what I would paste in to the URL in the URL box. Title, I can call it anything I want. I would just put Tom's Facebook page maybe, and then my tags, and again just Post. Okay. Now once you've done that, what happens is it goes to all these different services. Now sometimes there are problems. They don't always get posted in the first try. You look at this is the history page right here that I'm looking at, right? And if I click on one of the posts that I've made, and these are all the posts that I've made over the last several weeks, it'll bring up each service and what the status of it is for that particular page that I posted. And I just did these a little while ago, these posts, so this is still processing. Some of these have been successful already. You'll see maybe some failures. You see a lot of them are still processing, but these, for example, are successful already. And when this process is completed, when everything's completed, you'll see some that have failed. Now here's one that failed, for example, and it gives you a reason for it. Okay. And then you can go through. This one says authentication error. Please check your username and password, for example. Okay, and then once you've done that, if there's any problems, as you can see here with the failed one, you can resend. Okay. And then we're gonna make this smaller, and then you can go and look at the next post, and so on. I did about 10 posts just a little while ago, so they're all still processing. And then there's analytics you can take a look at. Okay. And there's my analytics. And you can look at your tags that you have. This is for feeds, RSS feeds you want to set up, and then you can go back to your account. But basically that's all you have to do. It's very simple. Go to a page, any page you want to. Here's some pages on my browser right now. Any page I want to post, that I want to create links to, I copy the URL, go to the post page, I put the URL in, I put a title, I put something either status or notes. This I might put, since this was a page on SEO from WebPro News, I may just put SEO News. Just has to be something in there for Facebook. If you don't want to post to Facebook, just unclick it, and then you don't have to put anything in. So you can just unclick Facebook and not use it, and then you don't have to put anything in here. Either news, notes, or status. Either one of those boxes needs something, not both. And then you put in your space-separated tags, and I keep my tags all in a notepad file, as you can see here. And here's my space separated tags. Here's my comma separated tags. Here are my space separated tags. Okay, and I copy these and just paste them in, and that's all you have to do, and then just click post. Okay, so that's it for Onlywire. It's really easy to use. I've used it for over a year now. There's little glitches in it, as there are with every website on the internet, but generally it works quite well, and it saves you a lot of time. You're going to some really high quality, high traffic sites where you're building links. You see some of these like AOL Livestream, Digo, of course Facebook, Google Bookmarks. These are very high traffic sites, okay, and they're good places to have bookmarks. Okay, so that should take care of you for Onlywire. We're going to move on now and look at some other aspects of link building.